Alright, picture this. You're deep in the heart of the jungle, the air thick with secrets and the soundscape alive with whispers. But today, we're not here for the usual suspects. No tigers, no monkeys. I'm on a quest to uncover the most mysterious inhabitants, the rare creatures you've almost never seen, captured in surreal, squishy claymation. First up, meet the velvet-backed leafhopper. This little marvel looks like a walking art project. Its back shimmers in a patchwork of mossy greens and electric blues. It spends most of its life pretending to be just another leaf, evading predators by holding perfectly still. Sometimes, it wiggles ever so slightly, just to mess with you. Now, if you've ever wondered what happens when a chameleon and a cloud have a baby, look no further than the misty orb weaver. This spider has a body so translucent it's almost invisible, except for the tiny pearls of dew that cling to its back at dawn. Scientists still argue about what those pearls are for. My guess? Jungle jewelry. Sliding next into our claymation lineup is the lantern-eyed frog. This amphibian is rarely seen, thanks to its habit of hopping only under the thickest canopies at twilight. Its eyes glow with a soft golden light, guiding it through the tangled undergrowth. Some locals believe the frog is a guardian spirit. All I know is, I'd follow those eyes anywhere, assuming I could even catch a glimpse. Let's not forget the elusive whisper moth. Unlike your garden variety moth, this one flits through the jungle in total silence. Its wings look like torn parchment, covered with cryptic claymation runes. Legend says if you decode them, you'll understand the language of the jungle. Personally, I am still working on my moth to English dictionary. And just as you think you've seen it all, out waddles the mossback pangolin. Adorned in armor that looks like it was sculpted by a very patient toddler, this creature rolls into a perfect ball at the first sign of danger. It's so rare. Most jungle explorers only ever find its tiny claymation footprints left behind in the mud. So next time you find yourself wandering through a virtual jungle, keep your eyes peeled. The most mysterious creatures aren't always the loudest or the flashiest. Sometimes, they're the ones hiding in plain sight, brought to vibrant, squishy life by a bit of clay and a lot of imagination. Thanks for exploring these hidden wonders with me. Who knows what else is out there waiting to be discovered?